All right, Oliver, the solo. This is the quarter note. We're gonna go real slow at first, all right? 1, 2, 3, just like that. 1, 2, and 3. Messed up on that 10th at the end, huh? How'd you do on that? We're only gonna go up 2 clicks. Oh, geez, 2 clicks, so we don't even feel that we're getting faster. Ready? 1, 2. Is a bear, isn't it? 1, 2. Here we go. 1, 2. Here it is. 1, 2. Here we go. 3, 4. 1, 2. By 5s. Here we go. 1, 2. Four. 1, 2. Here we go. 1, 2. Alright, 85. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2. Here we go. 90. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2. We're 95. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2. mess that up. Did you? How are you doing with your timing? This is 100. Let's do it. Oh, 1, 2, here we go. 2. Look at that. Alright, did you get 100? I almost hit 100 there.